Right, so today I'll be showing you how to connect the Hollyland Lark M2 microphone or wireless microphone to your GoPro. So if you want to use wireless microphone or wireless microphones with your GoPro, then you can actually go ahead and connect them. So to do that, first of all, you need the media mod case. Okay, so just grab this and fix it onto your GoPro. This is important because it opens up two ports, one port being the 3.5mm headphone port where you connect your headphones, and then you can also have the Type-C for charging, okay, and of course media pass-through. So once you put your GoPro inside the media mod, then you can take your Hollyland Lark M2 receiver. This is what that looks like. And as you can see, it has this clip or horseshoe that you can actually slide onto the top of the media mod of your GoPro. Okay, so you can just slide it right there like that, and it's good to go. And then the next thing you want to do is grab this cable. Now this is a 3.5mm to 3.5mm cable. This one comes in the box of your Hollyland Lark M2. And all you have to do is connect one end to the receiver like that, and the other end to this port right here like that. So once you connect like that, everything is ready to go. So you can see the microphone is already paired to the receiver. So now you can go ahead and attach this to your t-shirt, and you can even use the both microphones with two different people. So once you connect the microphone, or the microphone is connected, if you switch on your GoPro, it's gonna pick that as the default microphone. So let's go ahead and switch on the GoPro. And as you can see, let me just push that to the side. And as you can see, the receiver is already receiving, okay? Now this being connected, you don't need to adjust any settings. It's gonna pick up, or it's gonna set it as the default microphone. As soon as you connect a microphone to this port, your GoPro will pick that as a default microphone. So currently, this is a microphone I'm using, and it's going to capture audio on both the Hollyland wireless microphones. So the one I'm wearing and the extra one, which you can put on someone else, or you can put it on an animal or the motorbike, wherever you want to connect your microphone. So that is basically how to connect your Hollyland Lark M2 microphone or wireless microphone to your GoPro. And this works on any GoPro, starting from Hero 8. Any GoPro that can use with this media mod case is good to go. Anyway, thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.